Hi everyone. For this video, I will show you how to solve problems involving analytic geometry. We will start with the basic or fundamentals. Number one is directed distances. Under directed distances, we have directed distances aligned horizontally. By definition, if A is the point with coordinates x sub 1, y, and B is the point with coordinates x sub 2, y, that is, A and B have the same ordinate or the value of y, but different abscissas or values of x, then the directed distance from A to B, which is denoted by AB bar, is defined as x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Meaning to say, if we have 2 points, for example, A and B, aligned horizontally, they will have the same value of y, but different values of x. And in order to get or to determine the distance from A to B, we are going to get the difference of x sub 2 and x sub 1. Now, let's use this concept and definition to solve problems with distances aligned horizontally. The first problem is problem 1.1. Find the distance from point A located at 3, 4 to point B located at 9, 4. Let's illustrate the problem in Cartesian plane. Point A is located here, which is 3, 4. Then point B is located here, which is 9, 4. In order to get the distance from A to B, we are going to use the formula x sub 2 minus x sub 1. The value of x sub 2 is positive 9 minus the value of x sub 1 is positive 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. Therefore, the distance from A to B is equal to 6 units.